curious about the life of a neuroscience PhD student? It's a challenging yet fulfilling path marked by research, education, and personal growth. Here's a glimpse into some of the essential aspects of this journey. 1. Early mornings and planning ahead. Most days begin early. After a quick breakfast, students review their daily agendas, which typically include a mix of classes, lab work, and meetings. Staying organized is essential, as managing multiple responsibilities can be demanding. 2. Academic classes. Classes form a fundamental part of the PhD experience. Students dive into complex subjects such as neurobiology, cognitive science, and advanced research methodologies. Beyond simply attending lectures, they engage in discussions, collaborate with peers, and participate in seminars that challenge their perspectives and stimulate new ideas. 3. Hands-on research. Research is at the heart of a PhD program and requires substantial time and effort. Students often spend long hours in the lab, conducting experiments that may take weeks or even months to yield results. They learn to design experiments tailored to their projects, utilizing various techniques, such as imaging, electrophysiological recordings, or behavioral assays, and analyze their findings using specialized software. Troubleshooting is a common part of the process, as experiments don't always go as planned. This practical experience is invaluable, helping students develop technical skills and gain a deeper understanding of the scientific process. Many students find joy in the discovery aspect of research, which can lead to innovative breakthroughs. 4. Valuable mentorship. Mentorship is crucial throughout the PhD journey. Regular meetings with advisors help students refine their research questions and receive constructive feedback. Collaborating with fellow students fosters a supportive atmosphere that encourages the exchange of ideas and solutions. 5. Teaching responsibilities. Many PhD programs include teaching elements, such as leading lab sessions, delivering lectures, or mentoring undergraduates. Teaching not only enhances communication skills but also offers a fresh perspective on the subject matter, reinforcing students' own understanding. 6. Writing and presenting research. Writing research papers and preparing presentations are significant components of the PhD experience. Whether submitting a paper to a journal or presenting at a conference, sharing research findings is vital for academic growth and building connections within the scientific community. Life as a PhD student can be demanding, but it is also immensely rewarding. The journey is filled with both challenges and achievements, each contributing to personal and professional development. Embrace the obstacles and celebrate the milestones. This experience will shape your future. Remember to enjoy the ride.